So, instant noodle recipe time. The show I show you what to do with your instant noodles. How's it going? Fly by Jing. Sichuan chili crisp in collaboration with Vite Ramen. Or the other way around. This is their Sichuan chili edition. So, Vite Ramen is ultra healthy stuff. A couple twins from California, basically. One liked to eat junk food, but wished it was healthier. One liked to eat healthy food, wished it tasted better. It went bam, bam, bam. And, yeah. They started a company. I love this on here. Where is it? Made in the USA with living wages. There are noodle companies that don't pay their people enough. And they are not one of them. They pay their people enough. As the package says. So, let's make it so. This is the noodle block, and it reeks of peanuts, and I love it. 3 minutes. It's got this really nice nutty scent. So, we got to Walmart, we got the school supplies. One thing that Miles needed for school was a pair of headphones with wires. I'm guessing because they don't want to like have to track down dongles, they don't want to have to deal with pairing, blah blah blah. Totally makes sense. If you got a room full of like 15 first graders, you don't want to deal with that crap because you'll never get to your lesson plan or whatever. So I was like, well, I've got a really nice pair of wired headphones. He can have those, and maybe I could get a new pair for myself. Win, win, win. Well, I did, and now I got to return them. So they had, for 70 bucks, this really nice pair of Sony Bluetooth headphones. I was like, yeah. Kit was like, yeah, why don't we just get you these? And then he can have your old ones. I'm like, really? Really? I didn't think I was coming here to get anything for me, but yeah, yeah, okay. Well, there's one big issue with that. I was like stoked. No, when I do my video editing for my unboxing videos for top 10 lists and stuff, I use the pair of cans that I got at the thrift store for 10 bucks, and they're great. They're absolutely wonderful headphones. They're Sony's. But the problem is the cord isn't like miles and miles and miles long, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. But for whatever he's doing at school, he won't have a cluttered desk like I do, so that'll be fine. Well, I was thinking like, hey, no headphones or no cord, that's gonna make things easier. Well, I forgot about this one magical thing that you get with Bluetooth, and that's latency. So when I put them on, I paired it with my computer. I was like, sweet. The noises it makes when it paired the Bluetooth were just like rad. And then one thing, I was like, okay, I'm gonna hit play on a YouTube video that I did, or one of these episodes of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. And then I realized, oh, yeah, that's not just not gonna work. See, you have this thing called latency, and well, the lag is about 1.5 seconds for the Bluetooth. So if I'm trying to edit video, there's no way I can. So those are going back. I did go ahead and order a pair off of Amazon that'll show up tomorrow, a pair of Audio Technicas. Although as soon as I click checkout, I scrolled down and looked, all the reviews were positive except for one, which was like, this guy spent like hours making this freaking review. I mean, seriously, this is like super detailed. He was going into like the highs, the mids, the bass, all this stuff, and tearing these things a new one. He was like, the predecessor of this one was absolutely wonderful. This one is just absolute garbage and blah, 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 blah. But there's supposed to be studio monitors. This guy listens to a lot of like classical Baroque music. And he is like, this is one of those people you refer to as an audiophile. There are people that are so into like ultra high quality audio that it's like their ear is spoiled for anything else. It's like if you put them in a room with an AM radio, they'd shoot themselves. That kind of action. So, but I think they'll be fine for what I do. And they come with 2 different cords. So that's cool. So yeah, I do a lot of stuff with headphones on my head behind the scenes. I was thinking of doing a new how I do what I do video, because I've done those in the past, and I thought I would do one that was like up to date. So what does it say about this? Do I really want to just like dump it in and stir it up, or do I want to pour it on top? Take off heat, add contents of packets, and stir well. Okay, so we do stir it in. So there was one that I did the other day, and I feel like, I bet it would be better if I just poured it on top. But that was a peanut sauce and a chili sauce. So we'll see how it goes. This is version 1.2. They do different versions all the time. Well, not super all the time, but they're always upgrading. That's pretty neat. Yeah, fly by Jing, Sichuan chili. Look at that. I like that. I'd like to get everything out of here. It doesn't seem to want to comply. Come on, you forker. Now I'm... Why'd you use a fork? Why don't you use a spoon? Because I have a fork in my hand. Kind of how I'm doing things at the moment. It's funny. I don't know if it's a sign of rapidly deteriorating sanity, but I do that a lot. I'll just start like giving myself crap as if there's somebody here giving me crap. But there's nobody here giving me crap. I'm just figuring there's gonna be comments like, why do you use a fork? Why don't you use a spoon? Moron. You know, stuff like that. Generally, the negative comments I get these days are like, wow, nice shades. Those are great, dude. Those are great shades. It's like the prescription. And I've got a bright light right in front of me. I'd be just like squinting the whole time on the show. Wow, dude, why don't we just call you Squinty? That's what I would get instead. I really don't care what people say. It just irritates me when people say things. Well, that's got a nice bite to it too. Wow. So the first time I tried that was a long time ago, and I don't even know. I don't remember if I finished up all the review process for that one. I think something happened, something got deleted. But the first time I had it, I wasn't super keen on it. This time though, this is good. I'm almost getting like, oh, you guys put a little bit of some kind of coconut element in it? I don't know, but it seems almost downright creamy. Some ratio was changed. They're always tinkering. They tinker. Which is rad. Tinkering is the spice of, yeah. Where's the busted one? Is this the busted one? It is the busted one. I'll go with the non-busted one, although I don't think it's as... it feels pretty good. Hey kid, can you make me some more eggs, please? Can you do me a favor? Can you make more eggs? She'll give me the... Alright. Because she is super kind. My wife is the kindest woman in the world. You have no idea. You really don't. She puts up with so much from me and our children. Some Fresno peppers there. And of course, some wholly sliced onion. Ooh, that pepper. Ooh. That's a hot pepper. Man, you gotta look up Justin Wilson. The Cajun dude. Wow. That guy, incredibly entertaining. Incroyable. I think he's dead, which is a bummer. Right. Yeah. Like so. I don't know. All right. Smoothness. Wow. I'm really tempted to just do a mukbang of this. I'm kind of hungry. But I'll be good. I don't know. Maybe I will do a mukbang. But I ain't eating those eggs. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Yeah, go to vite.ramen.com. Pick some of this stuff up. It's freaking good. This next one is from a Zenpop box. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code, the Ramen Rater, for a discount. This is Marushan Niku Udon, and it's cold from Japan. Cook it, drain it, rinse it, done. So catch you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.